in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central St. Louis County, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over town and country, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bowen, Chesterfield, Manchester, Kirkwood, Crestwood, Creve Coeur, Webster Groves, Maryland Heights, Bridgeton, Overland, St. Anne, Clayton, University City, St. Louis, Jennings, Ferguson, Florissant, and Bellefontaine neighbors. This includes the following state parks: Scott Joplin Historic Site. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 277. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here is your